Hacks for Girls, and today, I think you can tell that I'm in a different room. I'm in the bathroom, and I'm going to be teaching you. So do you have, like, these type of rubber bands and stuff, and did they get really stretched out? Then this is what you can do. So you can you'll take a bowl and you'll put some warm water in it, not really hot but warm. And so you'll take your bowl, and I have some warm water in here. You'll take the stretched out one and plop it in there. And then you might want to wait about a few you just keep on checking on it to see how big or to see how small you want it. So if you just wanted a little bit more strength, then check on it in a few minutes or something. And anyway, since we're not going to wait that long, this is what it's going to turn out like. So this is the original size that it came in. And I have it, and I put it, and I got it back on this side, and I did it earlier this week. And so right now, the stretched out one is just sitting in here, and it's going to take a few minutes. And so, yeah, thanks for watching Hair Hacks Girls. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Bye!